Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC so you skip menus. Once open, make sure you click More Details if it shows the compact view, otherwise you won't see the Options menu. Then look for Options in the menu bar that contains the Always on Top setting you need. Turn that checkbox on now. This tells Windows to keep Task Manager visible above other windows. Doing this first avoids switching apps and losing focus while configuring the preference. Once you've located Options, check Always on Top. You should see Task Manager immediately float above other windows. This setting is applied instantly, so test it by switching to another app or using Alt plus Tab. If Task Manager disappears behind a full-screen app, restore or minimize that app to verify the behavior. Make sure to set the view you want, Processes, Performance, or Details, because the pinned window preserves the current tab. That choice matters when you need quick monitoring during. To finish, understand that Always on Top persists for the current user session, so sign out or reboot and check it again. If the preference resets, run Task Manager as administrator and re-enable the option. Sometimes elevated processes or group policy override it. If problems continue, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or sign out and sign back in to refresh window management. One quick troubleshooting tip. If pinned Task Manager still hides, check for third-party window managers or security software blocking window top changes and disable them temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.